Today, I'm here to take you through single line diagram. As an engineer, you need to know how to draw before you wire. And nowadays, electricians, engineers need to draw before they can install. Like those who build the houses, before they can build, they need to draw a plan. So this is the plan for electricians and engineers, electrical engineers. So without this, you are not a professional engineer or electrician. And type of the drawing, we have two. We have the single line diagram and we have actual wiring diagram, in which I'll be taking you through in the next video. So in the first place, you need to know the symbols of electricals or electrical symbols. So when you see this, it means main switch, and this means a switch. This is one way, one gang switch. This is intermediate switch, the same one way, one gang. This is symbol for sockets. And this is a lamp. This is a symbol for lamp. So neutral and live were taken from the main switch to pass through a pipe. So the neutral will go to the lamp direct. And then the live will come direct to the switch 3. So this is an intermediate switch. The the lamp will be controlled with 3 positions: switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. And then switch 2 being the intermediate, it is in between 2 switches, so that is intermediate. So this live was passed through the pipe to the switch 3. That's why you see the live. And then PP means parallel lines or strappers. So whenever you see PP, it means parallel. Because we need to connect these switches together so that to be able to control this lamp, there's wires called parallel lines. So this switch contains 3 terminals. This contains 4 terminals. This also contains 3 terminals. So these 3 terminals, one will connect to the lamp as the switch wire, and the other 2 will connect to the intermediate, that is the parallel lines or strappers. Because this contains 4 terminals, 2 have been occupied by the switch 1, and other remaining 2 terminals to be occupied by the switch 3. So these parallel wires to come and occupy the other 2 terminals. So these 4 terminals have been occupied by the switch 1 and then the switch 3. This 2 is 3 terminals. So 2 has gone to the intermediate switch, 1, 2 has been served as the switch wire. This switch 3, 2 contains 3 terminals. So 2 has been sent to the intermediate switch. That one 2 will be fed by live. So this live will come straight to the switch 3. And then this parallel from this place will come to the intermediate. Another parallel from this switch 1 to the intermediate. Switch wire from the S1, that's the switch 1, to the lamp. And to the sockets, there is 3 wires from the main switch, that is 2.5 mm. So this shows that there are 3 wires in the pipe that are 2.5 mm going to the socket. That's the live, neutral, and then the earth. So it also goes directly from the main switch, you can see, direct to the socket. And this 1.5 mm means there are 2 wires in the pipe that are 1.5 mm, and that one is for lighting only. So you need to understand this as an engineer. If not, you may be given a wiring to wire, but you may not know how to draw, or you may be given the drawing, but you may not understand it, so that your work will be carried out. So whenever you see this, it means there are 2 wires in the pipe that are 1.5 mm. If you all know 1.5 is for lighting, and this shows that there are 3 wires in the pipe that are 2.5 mm. That one is for sockets. And here the symbol for sockets, and these are the symbols for switches and lamp, and then the main switch. Thank you for watching. My next video will take you through the actual wiring.